26 fruits name English and Hindi for kids. Apple, save. Children, in English this is apple. In Hindi this is save. Apple, save. Banana, kela. Children, in English this is banana. In Hindi this is kela. Banana, kela. Orange, santra. Children, in English this is orange. In Hindi this is santra. Orange, santra. Grapes, angur. Children, in English this is grapes. In Hindi this is angur. Grapes, angur. Mango, aam. Children, in English this is mango. In Hindi this is aam. Mango, aam. Pineapple, ananas. Children, in English this is pineapple. In Hindi this is ananas. Pineapple, ananas. Papaya, papita. Children, in English this is papaya. In Hindi this is papita. Papaya, papita. Watermelon, tarboos. Children, in English this is watermelon. In Hindi this is tarboos. Watermelon, tarboos. Kiwi, kiwi. Children, in English this is kiwi. In Hindi also this is kiwi. Kiwi, kiwi. Strawberry, strawberry. Children, in English this is strawberry. In Hindi also this is strawberry. Strawberry, strawberry. Pomegranate, anar. Children, in English this is pomegranate. In Hindi this is anar. Pomegranate, anar. Guava, amrud. Children, in English this is guava. In Hindi this is amrud. Guava, amrud. Plum, aloo bukhara. Children, in English this is plum. In Hindi this is aloo bukhara. Plum, aloo bukhara. Cherry, cherry. Children, in English this is cherry. In Hindi also this is cherry. Cherry, cherry. Lemon, nimbu. Children, in English this is lemon. In Hindi, this is nimbu. Lemon, nimbu.
Say in the period, not the speak.
Avocado, avocado. Children, in English, this is avocado. In Hindi, also, this is avocado. Avocado, avocado. Apricot, khumani. Children, in English, this is apricot. In Hindi, this is khumani. Apricot, khumani.
Settlement, yeah.
Peach, adu. Children, in English, this is peach. In Hindi, this is adu. Peach, adu. Raspberry, raspberry. Children, in English, this is raspberry. In Hindi, also, this is raspberry. Raspberry, raspberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Children, in English, this is blueberry. In Hindi, also, this is blueberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Blackberry, blackberry. Children, in English, this is blackberry. In Hindi, also, this is blackberry. Blackberry, blackberry. Cranberry, cranberry. Children, in English, this is cranberry. In Hindi, this is cranberry. Cranberry, cranberry. Fig, anjeer. Children, in English, this is fig. In Hindi, this is anjeer. Fig, anjeer.
That's dear joy.
Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Children, in English, this is dragon fruit. In Hindi, this is also dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit.
Sugar with God. I've seen him wrong with and the actually. It's the one.
Coconut, nariyal. Children, in English, this is coconut. In Hindi, this is nariyal. Coconut, nariyal. Dates, khajur. Children, in English, this is dates. In Hindi, this is khajur. Dates, khajur.